Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Who are seeing the first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for new updates on your mail. Okay guys, so as you all know that we have started RE embroidery classes. So here on that we have a new stitch here. It's called zigzag. So this stitch generally used in borders and neck borders. We can use it. So I'm here taking one line here. Okay, I draw one line using with the pencil. Now I'm taking the thread here, jari thread, and I'm starting the zigzag model. Zigzag like in the cross stitch, like as you can see on up and downs. So here what I'm doing, you can start off anywhere, like from the top to bottom, or bottom to top also you can start anywhere. You just give a chain, uh, a big chain on that line in a cross way. Okay, as I'm showing in this video. See here, I have started from the corner side and I'm giving the loop, big loop on cross way. Okay, on that I will give a again loop on V shape. On that line only I'm making the stitch. Okay, take the loop and give as a V shape, cross V. Okay, see, like this you need to complete whole line, and this stitch is very important, so practice on normal thread also, because while we are doing the load and padded stitches we will use this stitch. Okay, so it's generally called as zigzag stitch, so it's very easy, as I'm here showing you on jari thread, but you should practice jari and also silk thread and also the normal thread. Okay, as I have already informed you, while we are using with this silk thread you should practice with the two lines of the silk thread you need to take and you need to practice it. Okay, but the jari thread you can use it the single one, and also the normal thread you can practice with the two lines and also the single stanza. Okay guys, so practice it well. So I'm about to complete this completely with the line, because always try to practice on vertical way, because the neck, while you're designing, the neck will be on vertical way only, so try to practice on that way. But all the stitches I'll give you a tip to practice, like in all shapes you need to practice. Okay, as at the end of this video I'm showing you one design which I have made with complete zigzag stitch, also with the material of silk thread. Okay, so I just draw some flower and also some leaves and stem, everything, the border of that particular drawing I have given complete zigzag stitch with this silk thread only. Okay, once you complete this, this has to be practiced very slow, because if you have lost the loop, then it will be difficult for you to find out and it will be difficult for you to move. Okay, so as comparing to the previous class, we have given a chain, the loop will be very smaller one, but here in the zigzag you need to practice with the long loops. Okay, long loops you need to practice. Hope you people have already practiced with the end knot. So here I am again showing you how to make the end knot here. So almost I'll try to make sure that every video I should show you the end knot. Okay, because it's very mandatory for us to practice it with this end knot. Okay, so here I have completed the stitch, so hope you people have seen very well, and I'm requesting you to practice well the basic designs, basic stitches, then start implementing on your particular designs. Okay, you can take any of the designs which are available in the online. Okay, so here if you have any doubts, please do comment, I'll reply back. And also request the people who are seeing the first time, please do subscribe my channel. Hope you people have already liked this video. Thank you so much guys, bye bye.